Hey guys, welcome back to Digital Digest, and in this video I'm going to show you how to change payment method of Facebook ad account. Alright, let's get started. So the first step is to open up your Facebook account. So let's head on to facebook.com. Alright, so now let's switch to our page. So once you have switched to your page, on the left hand side you can see the option for Meta Business Suite. Let's click on this Meta Business Suite and you'll be redirected to an interface like this. Alright, so to change the payment method, what you have to do is on the left hand side you can see the option for the ads. Click on this ads, and now let's get started. So here my account has been disabled. So to change the payment method, what you can do is on the left hand side you can see the settings. Click on the settings over here, and here you can see the option for billings and payments. Click on this billings and payments and you will be redirected to a page like this. And on the left hand side you can see the option for payment methods. So click on these payment methods, and here I have not added any payment method, but if you have added a payment method over here, you'll get an option to either edit that payment method or remove that. So all you have to do is just click on the edit option and you'll be able to edit and change your Facebook ad payment method. So that is how you'll be able to change your Facebook ad account payment method. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next one. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.